Hello, how you doing? Gonna make this fantastic mutton or lamb curry today. Fall off the bone, beautiful stuff, Dhaba style. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So let's get started with our meat. We've got this lamb here, lots of bone in there, a bit of fat. I've got about 2 kg, so that's about 4 pounds there of beautiful stewing lamb or mutton. And then here, teaspoon cumin seeds, teaspoon black peppercorns, half a teaspoon clove, 1 stick of cinnamon, a few dried red chilies. How many I've got there? 1, 2, 3, 3 or 4 there. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 green cardamom. Let's get to the cooker. So you're going to need a large pot or something like that with a lid. In there I've got some oil. I'm using a corn oil, about 3 tablespoons. We're going to drop in cinnamon, dried red chili, green cardamom pods, cumin seeds, black peppercorns and cloves. If you want, you could be adding some bay leaf to this as well, or a bit of star anise maybe. The heat's on, above medium heat. We're just going to throw this around for a few seconds. Simply we're going to grab our meat, our mutton here. We're going to get that all in. I'm going to add some salt. And I'm going to add a couple of very big pinches of black pepper. And we're going to go for about 7 to 8 minutes stirring often. Okay, so while that's just cooking away, I'm going to show you the next 2 ingredients we need, which are onions. I've got 3 cups of onions. There's quite a lot of onions in this one. And 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Ginger garlic paste is a 50-50 mix of the 2. So we've got some nice colour onto the meat. There's those onions, 3 cups. There's the ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons. Now you can buy this stuff in supermarkets, depending on where you live, or like us, you can make it yourself. So it's basically equal amounts of the 2, and then I just add a little bit of oil to it, and then we store it in jars. But yeah, we go through it at a rapid rate. Okay, we're going to go now for another 5 to 6 minutes. So next up, we're going to be needing tomatoes. I've got 3 cups here of fresh tomatoes. Cut them nice and small. Try and use a juicy, ripe tomato. Fresh chili. I'm going with quite a lot in here. You can adjust that as much as you want. And also, I'm putting mine in whole. I'm not going to chop them or slit them down. They're just going to go in whole for this dish. A teaspoon each of salt, pepper, garam masala powder, turmeric, chili, cumin, coriander. Fabulous stuff, really good. Okay, we're now going to add in those tomatoes. 3 cups of chopped tomatoes. Nice ripe, juicy tomato if you can. We're going to add the fresh chili to taste. Like I said, I've got quite a lot in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, maybe 10 in there. It's quite a lot, but adjust it how you want. Salt, pepper, garam masala powder. Like I said, a lot of pepper in this one. We've added pepper before, remember? And then we've got turmeric, chili powder, coriander and cumin powder. In that goes. This is going to be really delicious. Okay, we're now going to cook this for maybe 7 or 8 minutes. We want those tomatoes to cook down. We might even get a bit of moisture from it. Give it a stir every now and then. Wonderful stuff going on here. Wonderful. Beautiful. And as you can see, plenty of moisture from the tomatoes there. If you didn't get that, don't worry, because we're going to add a bit more water now. So in goes a bit of water. We're going to get a lid on this. I'm going to put that down to a simmer, and I'm going to let that go for 30 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. Okay, so that's been like 30 minutes. Let's jump in and take a look. Let me get some steam out of there. Oh yeah, look at that beauty. Really lovely. Now, we're going to take 1 cup of coconut milk. And we're going to drop that in. We're going to give that a mix. And then we're going to turn the heat up to maximum, really high. And we'll let that go for about 4 or 5 minutes. What that's going to do is kind of reduce that down and thicken it up. I mean, you can serve it just like this if you want this consistency, but I want to just reduce it just a tad. That's beautiful. Off goes the heat. Check the salt level. That is perfect for me. That is a beautiful mutton curry. Beautiful. Okay, and there you go. Look at that. Really fantastic. Fall off the bone stuff there. Really, really delicious. I hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you really soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.